In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can convert your BTC coins to USDT coins on Trust Wallet. Converting Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT Tether on Trust Wallet or similar platforms is often done for stability, trading convenience, hedging against Bitcoin's volatility, and for faster, cheaper transfers compared to BTC transactions, particularly during network congestion, thus streamlining transfers between wallets or exchanges. To do this, simply head into your Trust Wallet account. On this page, you will have to tap right here on Swap. It's just right here. In the section of You Pay, tap right here to choose BTC in either BNB or Ethereum blockchain. Then proceed by selecting your USDT in still either BNB or Ethereum blockchain. You will then put in the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive USDT coins. When put in, your USDT coins you receive will automatically show up right here. Tap on Preview Swap and your transaction will automatically get started. That's how easy it is to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.